here. Turn these bad boys off. So forget about them.
And the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver.
Amazing.
In perfect working
Successful
order.
test.
To provide
All the
most
radios went
consistent
off.
warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of the Brassdown Ball Blue Ridge transmitters. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Brassdown Ball transmitter: Fannin, Lumpkin, Towns, Union, and White in Georgia, and Clay County, North Carolina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter: Fannin and Gilroy in Georgia, and Cherokee County in North Carolina, and Polk County in Tennessee.
I know they're 100.
The weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official
Fantastic.
National Weather Service
Fantastic.
for the Northeast Georgia mountains.
I love the 74-200.
Windy,